What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my trading mindset. Let me see if I can get into this 2 contracts real quick. I'm starting off my account with what I left off last, 201.25, and this. There we go. $30. Oh, there we go. It went to a working order, guys. So let's sit here and see how. Hopefully, we got 3 minutes and 3 seconds, so it should get filled. Usually, it bounces back up enough for it to get filled. There we go. It just got filled, and got 2 minutes and 44 seconds. It's supposed to stay below below this red line right here. So my candle is gonna stay way below that. "32 seconds, and it's still below the red line. Alright, it just expired and my count went up to 258.75. Alright, I made about $57 on that trade right there, so not a bad trade. Alright, guys, let me see if I can jump into another trade. If not, I'll catch you guys tomorrow.